I've been looking all around, trying to figure out what the hell really counts, when everything feels like it's filling up with doubt. Thoughts heading south and no one can hear me shout, and the voices in my head so loud, coming for the storm like a Seattle cloud. The sky's so gray, trying to figure it out, why I'm so down in the sunlight drought. Yeah, memories coming back to me of a simpler time when I was young and free, playing games with the kids lived next to me. Didn't care about time or anything, yeah. But things changed, turned 23. Had to figure out what the hell was next for me. Do I do the safe things, something guaranteed, or do I do what I love till my fingers bleed? It'll all be okay, figure out my own way. But for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young. When I was young, yeah. Cause it's cold outside, fire burning from the other night. I can smell the coals on my soul, it makes me feel something deep inside. Memories of a better life, memories where I felt alive. In these times you could choose to survive, in these times you could choose to thrive. And I wanna make some, take control of my life and display some. Show the world what I love and go play some. Show the world what I love on a stage strumming. And I wanna make y'all feel the same, and I wanna take away all the pain, at least for a minute while I play. I wanna make you feel okay. I'll be okay, figure out my own way. But for now here I lay and remember a day when I was young. When I was young, yeah. To take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how, putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't play me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I'll always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over, and I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. enjoy the climb, ayy, enjoy the grind, ayy. You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, ayy. Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo, don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take control, then don't just take it, ayy. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah.
I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance. Take